Alright, y'all, this is day 12. The boat is still in Charleston, so we're going to switch it up today. We're going to play some golf, so y'all come play 3 holes with me. Alright, we got a 500-yard par 5. We're hitting driver. Got about 275 yards left. We're hitting a 5-wood. 135 left. We got an 8-iron. A little right, but we got our 62 degree. Let's see if we can get up and down for par. Got a downhill 7-footer for par. Alright, we got a 400-yard par 4 dog leg left, so we're hitting driver. Alright, we stayed out of the bunker, but we got about 160 left. We're hitting a fairway wood. We're on the back fringe. We got about 15-foot putt for birdie. Hit the pin. And a 4-footer for par. Alright, we got a 150-yard par 3. We're hitting a 7-iron. Alright, put this one a little left and in the bunker. So let's take this short. Alright, we got a 12-footer for par. We got a 3-footer for bogey. Alright, 1 over through 3 holes. Y'all come back for tomorrow.